There's heat in the pan. There's heat in the pan. And also turn on
Yes.
this. Okay. What if that place? Can I put in? Huh?
Yes.
Okay.
Is there any reason that you have to peek over the
Yes.
pan while you're pouring the olive oil? You just look at the sense of like
So
maybe
that
just
you
putting
can
it out
see
like
what
this.
you're doing.
Ah.
Generally, when you record videos, you're supposed to be silent behind the camera. Okay? So you're gonna add garlic, chopped garlic. This is gonna heat up quite fast, so you need to chuck it in the pan and quickly start mixing. You wanna wait until it goes a little brown, and as soon as that happens, you're gonna get your spring onions ready. Oh, Sunita, is that brown enough?
No.
No, it's not brown enough yet. Just want to make her feel involved, you know. But?
No.
No. But a little bit. That's enough? Sure?
Yeah.
Okay, then you're going to add your cup of spring onions. Wow! Okay, onions, the garlic tends to go a little bit brown a little bit after that happens. And you're going to chuck in. Woohoo! Try to get as many of the mushrooms into the pot as you can. Get out. Woo! We are on our way.
That's all. That's a part of the experience.
Yeah, it is.
Still.
Adds flavor. Okay. Right. So now we're just gonna wait until these. Can we put it on low, please? Low. This is on low. You know it?
Yes.
Okay. Can we get some chili flakes?
Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna want to wait until these mushrooms are nice and brown. Just add like a touch of chili. That's enough. That's good. See, when you're a pro, you can just add without having to measure. Okay, you don't want to put the pan on low too much because then the water from the mushrooms will start to release.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, it's true. Okay, so you kind of want to keep the temperature just somewhere in between medium to high. I promise you, this may look a little comical because I'm not usually somebody that spends a lot of time in the kitchen, but this is a really great recipe. Sunita, you added salt to the pasta? You didn't? No, always when you're boiling the pasta. Shit.
What happened?
We forgot to add salt to the pasta
While boiling it?
while boiling it. Sunita, oh my god. Oh, tell you. Just, so now
You can mix some salt into this.
we will have to, what is the word? We will have to,
Wing it.
no. We will
Improvise.
improvise is what we need to do.
Luckily, you're such great chefs that you can improvise like almost immediately.
That's right.
That's enough. It's iodine poisoning.
Okay, so now you can see that the mushrooms are nice and brown. We're going to take the pasta and we're just going to add that in. And just fold the mushrooms through. We actually need to stop for a second because we need. Ah! This is first and last time I'm doing this. Okay.
What's that?
Sorry?
Oh, stop mentioning.
We need some more mushrooms. So for now, I'm going to turn this off. We're not going to please turn this off. Are there more mushrooms?
You wanna-
No. You better.
Okay. So we'll be back with the mushrooms again.